Are you buried in manual prepaid expense calculations every month? What if you could automate your journal entries and reclaim your time in just 5 minutes? Stick around, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this with Excel. Welcome back to Accounting with Yana. If you want to make your month-end close faster, easier, and less stressful, you're in the right place. Today, we're automating the amortization of prepaid expenses, building on our previous session where we organized all those invoices into a clean Excel table. If you missed that setup, check the link in the description to get started. Before we dive in, if you are ready to say goodbye to manual month-end chaos, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a time-saving tip. Quick foundation review. Last time, we built a structured Excel table with all your prepaid invoices, vendor names, GL account codes, and monthly amortization amounts. This is the backbone for today's automation. If you are new to prepaid expenses or need a refresher, my dedicated playlist is linked below. And if journal entries are still a bit mysterious, my journal entries playlist will get you up to speed. Step 1. Creating your pivot table. Click any cell inside your data table. Head to the Insert tab, then hit Pivot Table. Excel will auto-select your data range, thanks to our table format. Choose New Worksheet. This keeps your data and reports separate for crystal clear organization. Click OK. You will see the Pivot Table field pane, your new command center. At the top, all your column headers. Below, 4 drop zones: filters, columns, rows, values. Step 2. Automating the journal entry. Let's build your journal entry in seconds. Drag GL account into the rows box. Boom! All your account codes appear. Drag the monthly amortization period into the values box. Excel instantly totals everything for you. To make your report shine, right-click any value, go to Value Field Settings, then Number Format. Pick number and use the 1000 separator for a polished professional finish. Congratulations! You have just automated your journal entry. Debit each GL account for the shown amount and credit your prepaid asset account for the grand total. No more manual math. Now, all you need to do at the end of the next month is to switch the months in the Pivot Table Fields pane. If this Excel trick is already saving you time, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what you are automating next. It really helps more people find these tutorials. Step 3. Supercharge your report. Want to see details by vendor? Drag vendor into the rows box under GL account. Now you get a collapsible breakdown by account and vendor, perfect for those detailed audit requests. Step 4. Why this matters. With this setup, you can generate journal entries for any period in seconds and drill down into every number. This method saves you hours every month, slashes the risk of errors, makes your month's end close for prepaids almost effortless. Let's connect. What's your biggest month's end headache? Drop a comment below. I read every one and love creating videos that solve your real-world challenges. If this helped streamline your workflow, give it a thumbs up and check out my financial accounting and Excel for accounting playlists for even more time-saving strategies. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.